Hey, what's up, everybody? Hope y'all ready for this. Yo, loca. I'm insane. Life throws you curveballs, we should be able to swerve all. Oversee the ocean like a surfball. Pissed off now, I'ma fucking hurt y'all. Broke jaw, breaking your ankles, call me crazy soft. Standing in at only 6 feet tall. These mysteries must be solved. Why are you so involved? You have to dumb it down while my styles evolve. Knock your ass out on the street, Kimbo. Bend that back with a backbreaker, call it limbo. Dick like a limo, looking kinda stupid, are you a bimbo? You couldn't speak real, even if you really real though. Only thing you fucking is a stiff hoe, tiptoe, whip flows, and just pin yo. I'm like, y'all, nah, fuck that. I try it once, I might just have a heart attack. Yelling like how Spartans attack, taking many rappers out like a motor blast. So you can kiss your ass goodbye, goodbye.